Oh man, my shoes are wet. And my homework is all wet. Gosh darn it. I wish there was a way to charge my phone in my locker. Thanks to the heating pad in this locker, my shoes are dry. Oh no, 2%? Well, thank God I have a charger. Thanks to this built-in safe, my valuables like my phone and my keys won't get stolen. Beep, beep, beep. With these built-in wall shelves, I won't get trampled by my books.